Hello, everyone. My name is William Good, and I am the welding technology instructor at Dauphin County Technical School. This is the first year back for the welding program at the school, and it is my pleasure to introduce Kyle Goodyear as my outstanding senior of the year. Kyle was only in the welding program for a couple of months, but was very dedicated to learning and developing his welding skills. He excelled at TIG welding and stick welding, and those skills earned him a third-place finish in the Lancaster Skills USA competition, where he was up against other students with years more experience. He also took the time to help out the freshmen if they needed advice or guidance on their welding techniques. He leaves the welding program with the bar set high for next year's seniors. Congratulations, Kyle, and good luck in the future.